Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the Roblox memory dump error. This frustrating issue often means the game client has crashed. First, try a simple restart of your computer and the Roblox application. This can clear many temporary software conflicts. Next, confirm your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can sometimes cause unexpected game client behavior, leading to these errors. These initial steps are quick and often resolve the problem efficiently. Next, let's check your system. Confirm your computer meets Roblox's minimum system requirements, including at least 1 GB of free hard drive space. Outdated graphics drivers are a frequent culprit, so update them to the newest version available for your hardware. Also, make sure your operating system, whether Windows or Mac OS, is fully updated. These updates often include critical fixes that can prevent game client errors and improve overall system stability. Now, let's focus on the Roblox client itself. First, clear your Roblox cache files. Corrupted data in the cache can often lead to crashes. If that doesn't work, consider a complete reinstallation. Uninstall Roblox, then download and install a fresh copy from the official website. This ensures you have a clean, uncorrupted installation. As a last resort for client-specific issues, try running the Roblox player in compatibility mode for an older version of your operating system. For more advanced troubleshooting, close any unnecessary background applications. Other programs can consume valuable system resources or even conflict directly with Roblox. Also, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall software. Sometimes, these security programs can mistakenly block Roblox's processes. If, after all these steps, the memory dump error continues, your best course of action is to contact Roblox support. Provide them with all the details of your issue and the troubleshooting you've already performed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.